welcome One Chiropractic members. We're here in our One Chiropractic studio in Arnhem, and today we're going to talk a little bit about cracking bones and cracking ourselves basically. Yeah. So what is the crack? No, when the popping sound we hear when we do the movement is just gas that releases from the body. So what happens in the spine? Okay, the spine is what we can say it has a lot of articulations. Now, for instance, this is just a lumbar vertebra. It has disc above, disc below, which are 1-2 articulations already. Okay, and then it articulates with the zygapophyseal ones on the top. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the bottom 5 and 6. Okay. So this is a pretty complicated articulation if you would compare it with the finger, for instance, no? A finger, the only thing it does is this, up and down, and it's just one hinge articulation, okay? And when we crack it, sometimes a little bit like this is the best way to actually crack it, yeah? If we were doing it for ourselves, it's one of the only ones that I would say that you could do for yourself is your hands. And not closing it, because we always close our hands is when we grab things and everything, so we want to open the articulation, and that's generally also what we're doing as chiropractors, is we are opening articulation so that there is more flow of nerves going through these little foramens here between every single vertebra. So without further ado, if we have a misalignment in the spine, let's say that it will not misalign this much, but just for visual effects, for that it's clear, you'll see it, no? Clearly. So say we are misaligned this way, okay, and we want to crack our neck, yeah, and we're gonna crack it, and then we have a popping sound, and we're cracking it this way, crack, because we can't really see or feel the vertebrae where it is misaligned. And here we go this side, and every single time we're creating more and more and more tension and more instability, okay, because we ourselves cannot feel the proper position of the vertebra, okay? So it's recommended for people to stop cracking their necks, okay? But especially if you're in chiropractic care, we can check the alignment of your spine and do it correctly, okay? And for you to create less instability in your spine, because every single time you're doing this, you're creating more and more and more instability, which can create more problems and more compensation issues during longer periods of time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, then any of our members will come and help you out, and we're here open for you. Okay, thank you so much.